Man, it felt like I just broke the system to make this kind of money in crypto. It was absolutely nuts. I felt like I tapped into some hidden crypto glitch or something. You curious how I managed it? Don't click away, because I'm about to reveal all the secret tactics I used. Seriously, I've lost track of how many meme coins I've bought that completely tanked, wasted a bunch of time and lost tokens left and right. But ever since I discovered this method and started using it every day, my results have been nuts. I'm currently making 5 times my previous earnings. The whole thing is based on repetition. That's the main idea I'm about to lay out for you. I'm going to reveal the entire method to you shortly, but before we jump into all that good stuff, let's talk about how we're going to launch this bad boy. If you're thinking pump.fun is the way to go, just be aware that it has some serious potential pitfalls. This is one of the first things we need to nail down. Fire up Photon and take a look at the DEX filter set to pump.fun. You'll notice new meme tokens popping up practically every single minute. The majority of these coins get launched and then immediately crash and burn. That's because pump.fun makes it incredibly easy for anyone to launch, which means the whole platform is flooded with a ton of low-quality garbage. Now head over to the DEX filter on Radium and see for yourself what's up. Only 10 tokens launched in 15 minutes. That's definitely not a coincidence. Check this out. The liquidity is locked tight, the price charts look super stable, and the trading volume is climbing fast. The reason behind all this? Only serious developers get the green light here. That's exactly why this is the smart play. Don't go anywhere, because I'm about to explain everything. Dude, you won't believe this. Launchtool has made it so even your grandma could drop a token on Radium. No coding skills required whatsoever. I'm talking straight up plug and play. A few clicks and boom, your token is live. I've been all over this strategy like white on rice, and the cash, it's definitely been spiraling out of control. Just so you're aware, we're going to be using Canva to whip up our logo design. You've got the option to either scope out what's currently popular or just pick whatever visual you're feeling. For me personally, I actually found this awesome logo with just a lightning-fast image search. Since I've been kinda hooked on Arcane lately, and JINX is my absolute favorite character, I'm gonna base my crypto coin on her. She's pretty iconic, right? So yeah, that's the game plan. Alright, so since you're already set up in Canva, just pop your logo in there, and you gotta verify that it's precisely 128 by 128 pixels. Adjust it slightly if you think it requires it, and then you're all prepared to save it. That's the whole process for the logo. Couldn't be easier. Alright, bounce back over to launchtool.io and get your Phantom wallet linked up, just like I'm demonstrating here. When it asks for the token details, be sure to enter JINX coin for the name and JNXC as the token symbol. You're welcome to include a description if you wish, but I'll be leaving it blank this time around. Afterward, upload that awesome logo you designed in Canva and click the Next button to keep things moving forward. Okay, if you notice any numbers with a decimal point or any crypto amounts, absolutely do not change them. Got it? Leave them exactly the way you found them. Click on the Next button right after, and we can continue with the next step. Listen up. Verifying the creator is going to cost you 0.1 Solana. It's 100% your decision if you feel like that's worth the price. I'm keeping my Solana locked up tight. That's way too valuable to just toss out. Just go ahead and click skip. No reason to waste precious time. For the social media links, feel free to throw in your website or Discord server. Seriously, whatever you prefer works. It's a cool little detail to add, but you don't strictly need to since Radium is going to create all the streams automatically. Just click skip, and let's keep this train rolling. Pay attention right here. You cannot mess with these security settings. You could potentially save 0.3 Solana by disabling them. But trust me on this, you'll definitely lose potential investors. Any legit investor is going to check if freezing and minting are locked. If that's not the case, you're basically telling them you're shady. My recommendation? Keep those settings turned on and smash that Launch My Token Now button. Just hold on for a short moment. Okay, proceed and click that confirm button in your wallet. Just tap the screen. Give it a few seconds to do its thing and then, there it is. Your token is officially available for trade. Major props to you. Okay, so we just took a look at our coin using that SolScan link and want to know what we found. It's official now. It's alive and running perfectly on the Solana blockchain. Alright, now's the moment to get this token active. Head back over to launchtool.io and go ahead and click that Create Liquidity Pool button. That action will automatically send you to Radium, where we can prepare the liquidity pool. Let's aim for some big profits. Let's get this process moving by making your meme token the star of the proceedings. Pick up that contract address from launchtool.io, then copy and paste that info into Radium. For the symbol, go with JNXC. And for the token name, it's JINX coin. Then just click Add User Token to make it legit. Now for that sweet liquidity, if you cooked up 1 billion tokens, toss a hefty 900 million into the liquidity pool, no cap. And for the trading pair, it's gotta be Solana. It's the king coin on its network, you know what's up. When you're putting in your Solana, make sure you click max, and then just take away 0.2 Solana from that number. That little bit of Solana is gonna take care of the fees and give us some wiggle room. Set the fee percentage to 2%. That's the sweet spot to get investors checking us out. Okay, this is the moment we've been building towards. Go ahead and click that Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Your wallet is going to ask for permission. This is the main event, guys. Just approve the transaction that appears and zap, your token is officially listed and available for trading. Now, start Photon. Switch the filter to Radium and get ready to spot it. Your brand spanking new MemeCoin will likely be right there. It'll be staring you in the face. That's your visual confirmation that it's officially live in the market and all geared up for trading. Okay, so now return to launchtool.io and make sure you've copied the exact address for your coin. Now make your way to Dex Screener, search for literally any coin you spot, and then either substitute the address in the website link with yours. And automatically your coin's chart will appear, working without a hitch. Very easy to follow along with. Entering the market this early means seriously, any move you make just automatically adds more money to your wallet, without any real effort. What's more, since you're one of the first ones in, the idea of actually experiencing a loss at this point feels almost ridiculous. Now you can just relax and watch your investment go absolutely through the roof. Peep the charts. We've already got some buys and sells going down. This activity happening so early, it's most likely just bots doing their automated thing. Nothing super wild at this moment. What I'm truly keeping an eye out for is when a big player, a whale, drops a huge buy order. That's the actual signal we're looking to see. Don't worry about it for now though. This is just how these kinds of projects typically start out. Alright guys, approximately a minute ago, we received a payment amounting to $54. That's 0.4 Solana. Liquidity and market cap are on the rise. These are favorable indicators and encouraging numbers to start out with. Let's just keep waiting. Over the last few minutes, we've had multiple purchases of the coin come through, which is definitely positive. However, the most significant one is the $48 purchase. This is precisely the kind of activity we're hoping to see. At this moment, the market capitalization and liquidity are still looking strong. Okay everyone, this is exactly who we've been looking for. The whale has arrived. A purchase worth $146. That's spot on. These numbers look pretty healthy, but for the moment, it's the right time for us to step away. Now that we've finished up our mission, what's next is getting your liquidity back into your wallet. Stick around right there, and I'll give you the complete breakdown of exactly how it works. Okay, to start things off, just link up your creator wallet to Radium. It's a walk in the park. Following that, locate the Portfolio tab and head inside. Select Standard, and your coin balance should show up instantly. If you don't see it right away, just give it about 10 to 15 minutes after creating the liquidity. That's totally normal, no worries. Tap that small minus symbol and withdraw the entire quantity. Make sure Solana is chosen as the currency and then confirm the transaction. Boom, you're all set. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Alright, as you can see on the screen right there, the confirmation message for our liquidity withdrawal just popped into view. Therefore, the sole remaining action now is to look at our wallet and observe the final figures. Listen up. So I dropped $107 in and bam, managed to pull out $247 faster than I thought possible. This method is absolutely killing it right now, seriously. The market's looking like a prime opportunity, and if your timing is good, now is the time to make your move. This approach is seriously heating up right now and I'm not messing around. The opportunities are wide open at the moment, and if you're really paying attention, you could potentially grab a massive win from this. Just being completely honest with you, I don't have any sort of paid deal or partnership with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool. If you're looking to learn more or want to do your own investigation, check out the description below. You'll find everything you need there.